Okay, let's talk about Zoom and Zoom Breakout Room. I've had a few questions. People are quite unsure how to use it. It's actually a really, really good tool. So, Breakout Rooms, this is how it works. We just enable it first of all in our profile in Zoom because it's not always enabled by default. If it's not, it's simple. There won't be the button here. So it needs to be enabled. Go to your profile, Zoom profile, settings, and you just tick the little option. Then host and co-host will be able to see it. So I'm a host here, so I can see the button. The other participant will not see it, but if I have a co-host to my meeting, they can see. So I just have to click on the button, and then it opens this window. So of course my test only has 2 people, but if I have more, I could have a lot more rooms. So they are virtual rooms. So I can just add rooms, and then each room can be automatic. So we assign people automatically. So if you have 20 people, they will all be dispatched. So let's take the example that I actually have 20 people. I want to send them into rooms between 3 and 4. So automatically you will have 5 rooms and 3-4 people in the rooms. But let's look at the options as well. Options are really good. So this is my advice anyway. Allow people to choose room. I usually disable this because I find it a little bit complicated for people. They can switch room, that's what it means. But me as the host, I'd rather that they stay in their room. And if they have a problem, they can call me. They can always call the host and say, well, I need to get out of this room because maybe I'm not with the right members, participants. We can allow them to return at any time. So that's if they don't want to call me, they just return to the main room, then they will speak to me. Be worried that if you are in a conversation in the main session, then suddenly they pop up in your screen. So that will be a bit disturbing. Automatically we move them. That's definitely what I want to do. So usually I would enable automatic move all assigned. And then this one, I would usually say, okay guys, you have 5 minutes to go into your breakout room and have a conversation on a topic. And after the 5 minutes, they come back automatically, which means I need to tell them, they will be notified. And also I want to have a time. So usually I would select something like 60 seconds if it's a 10 minutes or more breakout room. But if it's a very short one, I would go for 10-15 seconds because it's so super short. So they need to be fast and finish the conversation. When we're ready, we're going to just open all the rooms. So as you can see now, my XYZ will be able to just join the new room. So I'm going to go on the other, and that's it in my other screen. So my user has moved to XYZ. So I'm still the host here. Nothing has changed to me, but it means I'm by myself. What I can do is that I can just go to this room by joining. Now I'm going to move into room 1, and now I am into the room 1, and I can just chat with my user, etc. Brilliant. So I'm going to leave the room, go back to the main room. So I'm going to say leave meeting, but because I'm the host, I can leave all the breakout rooms